Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. For today's story guys, I'm going to show you how to translate text from another app using Share Sheet in Deepl. So as you can see here in their article, there is two ways for you to do it. One for iOS and the second one is for Android. Now let's go and start for the iOS version. To start with it first, you need to simply go and select the text you would like to translate. Then long tap the highlighted text, then choose share and then translate with DeepL. Of course, you can copy text into DeepL by using the share feature. You might need to add DeepL to your favorite apps. Further instructions can be found in your app settings under share to translate. The text will be copied into DeepL app and the translation will be displayed automatically. Alternatively, you can copy the text and paste it into DeepL Mobile as I'm going to show you in this video later on. Now for Android users, simply select the text you would like to translate, long tap on the highlighted text, choose one of the following options. DeepL, this option might be hidden, so you need to tap to open more options to choose DeepL, or share and then choose DeepL. The text will be entered into DeepL and basically, as you can see for example here, I will be able to translate it. So let's start out. For example, I'm going to copy this text itself. I'm going to click on the 3 points and I'm going to choose DeepL. As you will be seeing now, DeepL is going to be open automatically. And here I'm going to see the translation. So it's very simple and easy, guys. You could also simply try the copy paste method, which is simply by doing something similar to this. Click on copy and then go to DeepL. Then here, just remove this and paste the text and it should be translated automatically. So yeah, you could choose the language from here, and yeah, you could do it both ways, either by copy paste or simply by selecting the text and choosing DeepL. Personally, I'd like to copy paste it since it is much more faster. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.